M0FXB, welcome to my channel, and here we are talking about Hamshack Hotline and Hamshack Hotline RF linking. So we are just going to read what's said here. Now I do have some familiarity with this because I do have an Allstar node and I have made two Allstar nodes, so I understand what when they talk about the asterisk, sorry I can't say it very well, system and having to edit certain files. So the Hamshack hotline allows extensions to be tied to an RF connection to allow others to dial in and use the RF link. Note that this does not enable auto patch from the RF connection. This is a one-way connection from the HH to your RF system, basically a reverse auto patch, if you will. Creating an RF connection to the Hamshack hotline. To create a connection to HH, you first need to have configured an Allstar node. Now I've done this. That is a completely separate video setting up an Allstar node. So that will be, check that out in a different video. Asterisk is needed to connect to the HH system, as the HH system is based on asterisk as well. There are plenty of documentation online on configuring an Allstar node, so this is outside the scope of this document. So also we ask that you set up your PTT *99 and hash to release the PTT in your repeater conf file. If you do not already have this set up, this will make sure that once somebody dials in, that they do not cause interference or problems on accident. This will also make PTT commands uniform to the system. Makes complete sense. On your Allstar node, you will need to edit the iax.conf and extension.conf files. In your iax.conf, you will need to configure a stanza similar to this, and so that I've recognized this kind of stuff. What I'm curious about is I wonder if I can edit my Allstar node that I use for other connections like HubNet and Echolink. So here's the commands. I'll put this link in the description. If your in your extensions.conf, you need to configure a stanza similar to below. Note that you will need to change the node numbers to the node that you are having the connection dial into. Below we list two different acceptable configuration examples. So there you go. Now this is quite in depth, but it's just showing you the possibilities of this system and the Allstar system. So have a good read. I'll put this page in and some port forwarding information here. And let me know if you've done this yet and if you're already using a Hamshack hotline IP phone with the Allstar system, because I'd like to know what your experiences are. So thanks for watching my channel. Really interested in all this Hamshack hotline. It's just ticking all my boxes of interest. 7-3, all the best.